Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Chasing Business Cards. Review my usage experience. Chasing Business Cards are a suite of credit cards offered by Chase, specifically designed for businesses of varying sizes. They offer various benefits like cashback rewards, travel perks, and introductory April periods, targeting small business owners, freelancers, and even larger corporations. Key features often include bonus categories for spending, travel insurance, and purchase protection. Their website provides details on each card, including the Ink Business Cash, Ink Business Unlimited, and Ink Business Preferred. Chase emphasizes the flexibility and earning potential of these cards, highlighting how they can help businesses manage expenses and maximize rewards. They often compare their offerings to competitors by showcasing higher reward rates in specific categories or better introductory offers. While no specific technology is touted like 5G, Chase frequently promotes its secure online banking platform and mobile app for managing the cards. You can check availability and apply for these cards directly on the Chase website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Chasing Business Cards. I opted for the Ink Business Cash card, primarily for its straightforward cashback reward structure. The application process was smooth, completed entirely online, and I received my card within a week. Setting up online access and downloading the mobile app was equally easy. The app's interface is clean and intuitive, making it simple to track spending, check rewards balances, and make payments. I particularly appreciate the clear categorization of transactions, which helps me analyze my business expenses. Performance-wise, the card has been flawless. Transactions are processed quickly, and I've never encountered any issues with the app or website. I did have a quick question about redeeming my rewards points, and their customer support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to easily navigate between different features. The standout feature for me was definitely the 5% cashback on office supplies and internet phone services, which significantly reduces my overhead costs. One minor drawback was the lack of integration with some of the smaller accounting software I use, though exporting transactions as a CSV file works well enough. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Ink Business Cash card and would recommend it to other small business owners looking for a simple and rewarding cashback option. That's my overview of Chasing Business Cards. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.